If you've been looking for a single-family home that is less than 2 years old, 10 South Bay Hill is the one you've been waiting for. This home is located in Laguna Vista in the South Padre Island Golf Community. Hello, and welcome to number 10 South Bay Hill. Come on in and have a look around. As you step inside the foyer, you'll be greeted by a modern and inviting atmosphere that sets the tone for the entire home. The open concept living, dining, and kitchen area is a great place to entertain all your family and friends. The living area features plank tile flooring with a wood look that continues throughout the home. The dining area has seating for 6, with additional seating at the kitchen island. The kitchen features tall cabinets, a pantry, an island with pendant lighting, and stainless steel appliances. Additional storage space for the main area of the home includes a large closet in the foyer. And now let's visit what's sure to be one of your favorite features of this home, the covered patio with a view of the wildlife corridor. Through this arched doorway, we'll find the main bedroom suite. The ensuite bath has a double vanity, a gorgeous walk-in shower, plenty of cabinet and counter space, a linen closet, and a walk-in closet. On the opposite side of the house from the main bedroom, we'll find this hallway, which leads to 2 guest bedrooms and a full bath. Check out the spacious walk-in closet. Just like the other bedroom, this one also has ample closet space. Conveniently located to the 2 guest bedrooms, the guest bath features a gorgeous tub shower combo. Behind this sliding door, we'll find the laundry room, which leads to the garage. Let's check out the two-car garage. This home has a water softening system. Now that we've explored the interior of this home, let's visit the South Padre Island Golf Community amenities. The South Padre Island Golf Community has an 18-hole golf course, 2 pools, tennis court, gym, clubhouse, restaurant, and pro shop. And remember, all of this is located less than 15 minutes from the sandy beaches of South Padre Island. And that concludes our tour of 10 South Bay Hill in the South Padre Island Golf Community. If you'd like to visit in person, contact your favorite local real estate agent.